guys, I hope you're doing well. So this is the first video for our channel, so I won't be making you wait for a long time. Let's get back to the question. So we are solving this question number 75, which is short colors. So in this question, what we are actually having, please go through the description of the question which is mentioned here. So we are actually having this nums array right here, okay, which are having some numbers and we have to give the sorted order of it. But there's the catch, you can't use any library function right here, okay, for giving this output. Like you can't use any sorting function which is inbuilt, okay. So, and it is already mentioned that the 0, 1 and 2 represents the color like red, white and blue, okay. So what we are going to do here, we are going to, you can do it with the brute force approach, right? You can have a counter of 0, and whenever you see 0, you will be updating the counter with 0, okay. And you will be having the counter with 1, okay. So whenever you see 1, you will be updating the counter with 1, and as same you will be having a counter with 2. Whenever you see 2, you will be updating the counter of 2. So at the end, what you will be doing, you will be actually putting a counter of zeros, all values right here until counter of 0 gets 0, right? And then until our counter of 1 gets 0, I'll be putting ones right after 0, okay. And after that, what I'll be doing, I'll be putting twos right here to make the counter of 2's 0, okay. So this is the brute force approach, but I'll be telling you the best approach so that it would be very understandable, okay. So what we are going to do is we are going to use the national Dutch algorithm method. So we are having 3 pointers right here. You can see we are having a low pointer which is pointing to the 0th index, we are having a mid pointer which is pointing to the 0th index, and we are having a high pointer which I have written as h, which is pointing to the last element of the array, okay. So we are going to solve this. Swap this low, the in like pointer which is pointing this element low, okay, and this is the mid pointer which is pointing to this element, and here this high is pointing to the last element of the array. If this element got equal to 2, what I'll be doing, I know that 2 I have to put in the end of the array, right? So what I'll be doing, I have to put this 2 at the very end. At the very end, what I'll be doing, I will be swapping this 2 with this high, okay. Then what I did swapped in here. You can see in this section I have swapped it, and now I have already swapped. This 0 has come here, but people might be thinking that we should actually update this m pointer right here, but we won't. Why? We haven't checked this number which has already got swapped. We haven't checked this number, right? But we have checked this number already, so I'll be moving this high, okay. Now in the third step, I'll be getting uh, okay, this 0, I know that here I'll be knowing that, okay. Now in the third step, our mid is pointing to the 0, and 0 I have to put in the first, right? So what I'll be doing, I have to swap it with the low only, and I'll be moving, okay. I'll be telling you like what is actually happening here, okay. So see, this is the second step. When I got the 0, I'll be swapping it and moving to the next element. The m and l both moves to the next, okay, after getting swapped, okay. Now I have already swapped it and moved to the next. When I have moved to the next, I have already got this 0, okay. I'll be actually swapping it with the low only, this mid with the low again. So I know that this is at the same place, so we don't have to do anything else. Now I have to move the pointer right here, right? I'll be moving the pointer right here. So when I'll be moving the pointer, it will come to here only. when it will come to here, I know that this mid would be pointing here and this low would be pointing here, right? See, this low would be pointing here. Now you know that this mid pointer is pointing at 2, and when I know that I have to put 2 in the very last, okay? So wherever is our edge, okay, please swap it with this, please swap it with this. What I'll be doing here, I'll be telling you, okay? So let's copy this whole thing right here, and okay, so here, I guess, yes. Now see what is happening, see what is happening, okay? Okay, nice. So we were having m right here, okay? So I have to swap it, I have to swap it, okay? Let's swap, let's swap. I'll be keeping this 2 right here and 1 right here. So 2 would be coming here, okay, and 1 would be coming here. Now I know that I haven't checked this one, why would I move this mid, right? But I have checked this too. I'll be moving my high, I'll be moving my high. So high would come here only, high would come here, okay? High would come here. See this, high would have been come here. Now I know that if there is the condition, if our mid is pointing to the element that, like, it should be equal to 1. If it is 1, what I'll be doing, I'll be actually knowing that it is in the middle, I'll be only moving mid, I'll be only moving mid, okay? Let's move mid, let's move mid, okay? When I have moved mid, okay, please, please try to understand mid right here, okay? When I have moved mid, so mid has gotten to here. So what was our while condition? What was the loop? Loop was you have to traverse till then our mid is less than equals to high, like m is less than is equals to h, right? So it is actually valid. Go inside and check if our net's value got equals to 1. Please move the mid only, you don't have to move anything else. So I'll be moving this mid only. I have moved my mid. So here you can see the condition violates. Our while condition was that we have to do all these things, check all the conditions until our mid is less than equals to high. But now my mid got greater than high, right? I won't be checking any condition and coming out of the while loop. Okay, now you can see that you got all the elements in the sorted order, 0 0 1 1 2 2. Okay, I'm really sorry for the writing, but okay, I hope it's understandable, okay? So let me actually show you the code. I actually code in Java. Actually, the algorithm and the logic is actually is important, not the language, right? So you can do it in the C++ as well. What we are doing here, you can see we are having a short colors function, which is actually having the parameter as nums array, okay? Now we are having the low, which starts from 0, and mid starts from 0, as I have already mentioned. So should I just open it with the Microsoft board, so it would be easy to understand. Low starts from 0, you can see low starts from 0, mid starts from 0th element, okay? And high starts from the last element, that is nums dot length minus 1, this, okay? Now the condition would be while is mid is less than equals to high. I'll be checking all the condition if this thing is true. So when our mid got greater than this, I have stopped already. Now if our nums of mid, whatever this element we are at, okay, if this got equals to 0, if this got equals to 0, let's see where it got equals to 0. Here it got equals to 0. I'll be swapping it with this low and mid, okay, with each other, and moving this mid and low, okay? What I did here, you can see, okay, you can see what I did here, right? Now what I will be doing next is, if we got equals to 1, Okay, if we got equals to 1, what I'll be doing, I'll be actually just moving mid only. I won't be swapping and doing anything else. If we got equals to 2, what I'll be doing, I'll be swapping it, like in this case you got 2, you have to then swap it with the high and move high only, cause you haven't checked this element which actually got swapped, right? It is new for you, but you will be moving high only. You can see right here. Now what you don't have to return anything, and this is very basic, the swapping swap function right here, you can see. So this is actually very basic. Let's try to submit it, and it's getting submitted. Okay, so the time complexity here you can understand is that it's big O of n, because we are traversing it for we are traversing the whole array, and we are actually changing it without using any other external space, right? We are not making any um, other array for storing the shorted elements, right? So I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope that you like this video, and it was very understandable. So please like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.